coming in, please. Yeah, the ladies want to come. You've been thunderstruck. Thunderstruck. Yeah, thunderstruck. Ooh, thunderstruck. Yeah.
Army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it off, taking their time right behind my back. And I'm talking to